Okay, so... Oh, that's weird. I think my headphones are not connected. Um, but in today's live stream, I want to do some research on Polymarket and hopefully find or read their white paper, if they have one, to get a better understanding of the technicals behind it, because I want to build something similar to it on Solana. Um, but I'm not quite sure how to handle the logic behind it with the with PDAs and where do user deposit tokens, how do you calculate the price of a market and all that stuff. Um, so I want to get some inspiration here, hopefully from their white paper, but I don't think they have one, or at least it's not easy to find. Mm, let's see. Um, so Polymarket learn. What is peer-to-peer? It's Polymarket. Ah, okay. So this is interesting. So they have prices between 0 and $1 then I guess, and $1 represents 100% chance of the event happening, and that's how they calculate the prices. Interesting way to do it, and kinda easy because I guess you always have to have the odds anyway, so then just make the price based on the odds. Nice. Um, okay. So you're not locked into your trade. You can sell your shares at any time. So I guess you get an NFT or a K token. Um, that's good for UX. This is with the current odds and profit by betting on your beliefs. Okay, how to deposit. Okay, all trades are settled in USDC, it seems like. That's something I would do as well. Or maybe later on then check if there's interest for bets in other currencies, but I guess not because you don't want the currency to fluctuate. Okay, that's just how to deposit. Making a first trade, I guess, is then just, yeah, really simple. I want to get a more technical and a more detailed documentation on market discovery, resilient trading. Okay, this is probably can I make this so club API means central limit order book. Okay. Okay, there is a operator that provides off-chain matching, ordering, and execution services. Okay, so they don't do all that stuff on-chain because first of all it's easier, cost efficient, and yeah, I probably would approach it the same way and just have the bets, so the order book on chain, and I guess they are doing the same. Settlements happens on chain, yeah, because you put the bets and your money deposit is on chain, so of course. Non custodially according to instructions provided by users of signed non-custodial according to instructions provided by users in the form of signed order messages. Underlying the exchange system is a custom exchange. Atomic swap settlement, okay. Atomic is like, has to be atomic. Only outcome tokens. Okay, they have P tokens. And a collateral asset, USDC is a ERC20 token, according to signed limit orders. The exchange contract is purpose. Okay, so from a really, really easy point of view, we have a we have a market, and say there are no bets yet, so we just create a new SPL token for it, and then somehow calculate the odds, or like the base is, I guess, 50-50 for a prediction market, or the initial starting point, and then this is done off-chain, and then we create the token on-chain, and I guess we could even do the price logic of how much a bet against or for a specific outcome will cost. I think we could even do that on-chain, but not sure how necessary this is. Signed limit orders. I'm interested in what's the form of signed order messages. So it's a signed message that includes the order. I'm not quite sure how things work on Ethereum, but does this mean it's like frozen in the user's account and he can't spend it on other things? So that in the event of loss, so the user loses the bet, the exchange contract can move the funds. Okay, and it seems like they match orders across markets. This is interesting and provides more liquidity, I guess. And with that, a better UX. Complement can be matched. Explicitly exchange allows for matching operations include mint merge operations allows orders for complementary outcome tokens to be crossed. To operate as matching, ordering, and so many messages. Order placement and cancellation can happen immediately off-chain, while only the settlement action must occur on-chain. So I said I don't know how it works in Ethereum, but somehow they have to make sure the user actually has the funds and they can have authority over the user's funds for the bet. I have no fees. The CFGT exchange. So I guess we can find the contract here. Okay, let's actually start tomorrow then. But I guess it's not that hard to build an MVP. Trying to build the on-chain logic. But I'm not quite sure how to do the pricing. Uh, Mm-hmm. Where can I find mix-ins? Get order status. Okay, so they save the orders in the smart contract. Mm. I'm currently thinking if you get P tokens or K tokens or whatever, if you place a bet, does a buyer or seller or someone who bets for the event or against the event needs a different token than the counterpart, or is a different amount enough? So let's say I bet for a token and I don't know, the price is 25 cent. Do I then get a 1k token? And if I play a bet against the event, do I then get 3k tokens? Because the price is currently at 1/4. Mm, how does that make sense? Because everyone who bets puts their money in the betting pool. And then, okay, now we are fine with with 1k token, I guess. Then, as I just described, you get like one user gets 1k token, the other user gets 3k tokens. Then, as the bet is closed and the outcome is clear, we kinda freeze the k tokens, prevent it from transferring, or even that is not. Hmm. Oh no, okay, let's say we have the price pool with all the K tokens, and then as the bet closes, we mark the buy or sell side, since we have stored in the limit order book what side you are, and prevent the losing side from liquidating, because you can only liquidate on our platform or swap in USDC again, and then divide the pool by the amount of taker tokens, let's say, the winning side, and you can withdraw the corresponding USDC amount then. I think that should work. I think that should work. mm. So let's actually see at what do they all start at. Where can I see the historic? Okay, you can actually bet on multiple outcomes even in one bet. But where can I see the... Can I see the historic... I wanna see historic data of a bet. Okay. I guess it works only for bets with one option, so yes or no. Can actually see the order book. Okay. And I think it started at 50-50, right? Seems like this may be due to the fee, but seems like it started at 50-50. Multiple outcomes. I want a yes-no bet. Started at 50-50, so my guess was right. Here probably as well then. Oh, okay, there is no... Just did not start at 50-50. And what I'm interested in as well, can you create your own markets? Can you create your own markets? Or are they all provided? Because they need to somehow verify the outcome. Can we find docs? Overview markdown. And markdown. Facts. Just DLC Polymarket. What are conditional tokens? Conditional tokens. Crypto. Conditional token. You multiply chain finance by using smart contract in public ledger. Solana explained. Hmm. Can we find something on YouTube? Polymarket. Explained. Okay, I guess so. You have a dedicated on Solana a PDA where you have deposited the tokens and can withdraw, but from that PDA you then take the bets and um, okay, so they make sure they have by that they have actually authority over your deposited funds to then settle the bets. So we can make money by providing liquidity. Can we do that by saying we want a $100? We wanna buy. But interesting to see that 50% think Donald Trump will win. Do they have all different order books? Okay, so it's always a yes or no bet, and this is just an overview of all the candidates. Okay. But does it get aggregated together? No. Mm. But I think it has to add up to 100%, right? 40. So we are at 90. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now it doesn't add up to 100. So they are all and the spread is 3 cents. Hmm. What are earnings? None of them has earnings. Why can't I? This should link. No. Um, does this add up to 100%? 43, 48, 58, 6, 3, 8, 3. Okay, it doesn't add up to 100%, so again, it seems like these are all separate bits, just aggregated under this event. If we look at what was it? Proposed resolution. View details. Okay, so they use this oracle to get the outcome on chain. Oh. Solana oracle event based. Okay, as far as I know, PIF only does price data. Let's have a look if we can act. What? Switchboard. Any form of data. Explore, create custom data feeds using both following product. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's actually just try it out. Oh shit. Can I please connect? Hello. I agreed. I accepted. Okay. So do we actually put the code to get... Okay, we can actually build the logic here. Um, so this is interesting. Let's... Can we then see how others build? Okay, I guess you can build routines here, so we can then would actually build something like that automatically checks our bets every, like, I don't know, 10 minutes or something, and then would trigger payouts. Become a data provider. What kind of data can we? Okay, I guess they only allow price data then. I just wanna see, I want submit. Ah, the order can support price needs for... Okay, you can only provide data for markets listed here, and these markets are all price feeds and financial markets. Mm, just pay a 2% fee. Yeah, 2% is quite high for crypto. Okay, this is interesting to see again how the logic behind it works. Okay, again, and here we see translate share price. Again, shares are between 0 and 1, and then you just they have some logic to calculate the price off of it. Okay, I think I understand how it works and how to basically build a really basic MVP. I'm not quite sure how to handle the Oracle stuff and feed the event outcome on chain and how to make it as decentralized and transparent as possible. For now, for the MVP, I would just set up a centralized authority like a admin account or something that can um, set the outcome. And I think that's something I actually want to build tomorrow or maybe later today. Um, and just build the on-chain logic and then some tests around it to see if this is something we can realize, and then somewhat in the future build the UI. But for now, I actually want to challenge myself as well and see if I could build this on chain. Um, so I will end the stream for now and maybe start another one later. Start building this thing out.